Hey, what's up? I wanted to make this video to show you guys how I fixed my Xbox Series X stuttering. And what I mean by stuttering, it wasn't lagging. Like, there's a difference between lagging and stuttering. Lagging would be something based off of their servers that you can't really control, crappy internet connection, things like that. But if your internet connection is like on point, or you're running it on LAN, everything is fine, and the game is stuttering. And what it was doing for me in Modern Warfare when I would play is like, it was synchronized. So like, I would take a step and it would stutter. I would turn left, it would stutter. I would turn right, it would stutter, and then like click in and then stutter again, kind of thing. So people were saying like, you can go here to the settings and change. I'll show you. So basically, click the Xbox button, go to your settings, general, and click on TV and display output. And then here you have the resolution 4K. So you can switch that to 1080p, which people said might help, but to me it was the simplest thing. Was all I did was restart my Xbox and fixed it. Now, if you have a 1080p TV, I don't know if that might like make it stutter, but if you do, then you can simply click here and switch it to 1080 or 720, whatever you want. I didn't change none of that though. Now, the cool part about the Xbox Series X2 is if you go here to 4K TV details, it'll tell you exactly what it can do. So as you know, the Xbox Series X and the PlayStation 5, they can handle 120 frames per second, 120 hertz, but you have to be using a USB 2.1. So I have a USB 2.1 plugged into my TV. However, you can see I have a lot of reds going on. Now, the reason that is, my TV's, what is it, like a Roku Hisense 4K TV, but it can only output at 60 hertz. As you can see, your TV supports 60 hertz. What hertz means is how many times the picture refreshes in a second. So 60 hertz would be the picture refreshes 60 times in a second, 120 hertz, 120 times in a second. And if you only have 60 hertz on your TV like I have on mine, then your Xbox is only going to be outputting 60 FPS. If your TV has 120 hertz 4K UHD, then you're going to have a lot more green check marks, as you can see. You know what I mean? But that is something you might want to look into. That may be the reason, but I think the simplest thing is to literally restart the system. That's what I did, and now the game is running smooth. So what I think it is sometimes if you leave your system on standby, something just like bugs out in between the system and the TV kind of thing, and you just need to like refresh it, reset it. So try restarting your system. If that doesn't work for you guys, I apologize. That's my fix. That's all I got for now. And if you have any other fixes, let me know, and I'll see you guys for more videos like this. All right, peace.